As dawn breaks on the new millennium, hope of a brighter future wraps the world that's lived in darkness so far. From darkness to light and a life of dignity, freedom and equality. It's a promise that will help bring color into lives of almost half the world's population. It's news that caught eyeballs across the world. Millennium Development Goals, 8 targets, a deadline of 2015, 192 United Nations member states racing against time to score that hard 8. Eradicating poverty and hunger, achieving universal primary education, promoting gender equality, reducing child mortality rate, improving maternal health, combating HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases, ensuring environmental sustainability, and finally developing a global partnership for development. Governments, industry, aid organizations and you are all stakeholders in making these ideals a reality. Over 7,700 corporate entities from over 130 countries pledged to adopt business practices that would help get MDGs closer to the finish line. They signed the United Nations Global Compact in 2006. The buzzwords are now corporate social responsibility, a responsibility that goes beyond economic and legal obligations of a business. It's a simple but not practiced enough trick. Some unique CSR initiatives and socially responsible business ideas, and the businesses will inevitably capture the market and win hearts.
Through this journey, we have had the philosophy of my father that business has to have a purpose, and one of those purposes that's dear to my heart is really to meet a missing need in society.
Make way for industry in India as well, as it joins in the race to fulfill India's development goals. Several latest projections have indicated India's tortoise is lagging behind in this race, and most are looking at CSR to speed up the development process. Reliance Industries' Mukesh Ambani was named a member of a UN advocacy group mid-2010 to consult on getting the MDGs on the fast track. This is only a sign of that larger expectation that looms over our businesses.
खुशियों की फुहार 12 महीने है त्योहार सुनो सुनो रे दूध का सागर बहता जाए कंगन सोने के खनकाए सुनो द्वार पे शहनाई मारे घर झंझर लक्ष्मी के बाजे ओ मारे घर झंझर लक्ष्मी के बाजे.
From lighting up a rural household to bringing the students back into the classroom, industry initiatives are bringing smiles back into the lives of a multitude. Letters and words have come alive for over 1 lakh students in 14 states after the Read to Lead campaign, a CSR initiative by ICICI Bank. Canara Bank too is investing in the future. Each of its 47,000 employees donate 3 rupees per month. That adds up to almost 17 lakhs a year to a social cause of their choice. While construction giant Larsen & Toubro is laying the foundation of employment opportunity by offering free construction vocational training, it's a blueprint for CSR that makes for perfect business sense. There are other companies who want to reduce their social and environment footprint, from producing steel to now bringing healthcare to rural India. Tata Steel Limited runs an 850-bed hospital and rural projects in 800 villages across Jamshedpur, paying not just lip service but giving back to people who are part of their success story. E-Chopals brought technology closer home into the agricultural heartland, helping farmers bypass middlemen and make fairer profits. The lanes of urban and rural India are going to be lit up with such stories of positive change. Are we, the industry, ready to script the most important chapter of it?